There's a warm wind blowing from the eastern side, carrying stories from the ocean wide. Hear the conch shell crying in the break of dawn, ancestors whispering, be strong, be strong. Children playing where the mangroves grow, old man smiling like he always knows something deeper in the island air. You can feel it if your heart stay clear. Oh, I say, can you feel it calling from the reef to the mountain high? It's a message rolling like thunder in the sky. Island mystic calling through the breeze, Bula spirit moving in the trees. Hear the drums of Anua beat from the sand up to your feet. Island mystic calling, can't you see? The roots run deep in you and me. City lights try to blind our eyes, concrete walls but the spirit rise. Even when we're far across the sea, the salt's still living inside we. Mama say no, forget your name. Fire in a heart, not for fame. Carry the love wherever you roam. Every island child got a home. Oh, I say, can you feel it burning like the sun on a midday tide? The wheel of life still turning, no place for us to hide. Island mystic calling through the breeze, Bula spirit moving in the tree. Hear the drums of Anua beat from the sand up to your feet. Island mystic calling, can't you see? The roots run deep in you and me. Watching from above, was I full of love? But I was standing strong and tall.